Okay, so you're curious about the minimum amount to open an account at Regions Bank, right? Well, I'm not going to just give you the answer straight away. Instead, let's dive into the world of banking and explore some of the factors that influence the minimum opening deposit. Why does the minimum opening deposit matter? Think of it like this: banks are businesses, and just like any other business, they need to make money. Part of how they do that is by charging fees and earning interest on the money you deposit. A higher minimum opening deposit means the bank has more money to work with, which can potentially lead to better interest rates or fewer fees for you. So, what's the minimum amount to open an account at Regions Bank? The good news is that Regions Bank doesn't have a one-size-fits-all minimum opening deposit. The amount can vary depending on the type of account you're opening. Here are a few examples. Checking accounts. The minimum opening deposit for a Regions Bank checking account is typically $25. However, some accounts may have higher minimums, especially if they come with additional features or benefits. Savings accounts. Savings accounts generally have lower minimum opening deposits than checking accounts. Regions Bank offers a variety of savings accounts with minimum opening deposits as low as $0. Certificates of deposit, CDs are a type of savings account with a fixed interest rate and maturity date. The minimum opening deposit for a Regions Bank CD can vary depending on the term and interest rate. Other factors to consider. In addition to the type of account you're opening, there are a few other factors that can affect the minimum opening deposit. Your location. The minimum opening deposit may vary depending on the state or region where you live. Your relationship with the bank. If you're already a customer of Regions Bank, you may be able to open an account with a lower minimum deposit. Special offers. Regions Bank may occasionally offer promotions that waive the minimum opening deposit requirement for certain accounts. How to find the minimum opening deposit for a specific account. The best way to find the minimum opening deposit for a specific Regions Bank account is to visit their website or talk to a customer service representative. You can also find information about the minimum opening deposit for different Regions Bank accounts on third-party websites, such as Bankrate or NerdWallet. So, what's the bottom line? The minimum amount to open an account at Regions Bank can vary depending on a number of factors. However, it's typically a relatively small amount, especially for checking and savings accounts. If you're considering opening an account at Regions Bank, be sure to check their website or talk to a customer service representative to find out the specific requirements for the account you're interested in. Additional tips. Shop around. Don't just go with the first bank you come across. Compare the minimum opening deposits and other fees and features offered by different banks to find the best deal for you. Consider your banking needs. Think about how you plan to use your bank account and choose an account that meets your needs. Read the fine print. Before opening an account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully to understand all of the fees and restrictions that apply. The minimum amount to open an account at Regions Bank is typically a small amount, but it can vary depending on the type of account you're opening and other factors. By doing your research and comparing different banks, you can find the best account for your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. P.S. If you have any questions about the minimum amount to open an account at Regions Bank or any other banking-related topics, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer your questions.